So sorry, we are back now. So uses of MS PowerPoint, we have classroom teaching and learning, business presentations, seminars and workshops, academic and research presentation, any presentation that you want to work upon. It is very good for you to use Microsoft PowerPoint because it helps you to arrange it perfectly. Now, the attendance code too. Listen, everybody, listen attentively. A, B, S, T, 2. A for apple, B for boy, S for sun, T for table, and number 2. Attendance code 2. A, B, S, T, 2. I hope that is taken. Is that taken? Attendance code 2. A, B, S, T, 2. Number 2. A as in apple, B as in boy, S as in sun, T as in table, then number 2. So that's the attendance code 2.
Well, good afternoon. As a quick recap of what my previous presenter has presented, I am Mr. Okwatunji Dekunle by name. This is a continuation of the computer application package. We'll be dealing with SPSS, a data analysis tool. What is SPSS? We'll be looking at introduction to SPSS, installation and interface overview of SPSS, basic data handling methods, descriptive statistics, data visualization, handling of missing data. SPSS is a statistical package for social sciences. It's a suite of programs designed for analysis of scientific data. SPSS is a software tool for statistical analysis, data management, and visualization. Originally, SPSS was designed for social sciences, people that study psychology, political science, economics, and life sciences. However, the versatility of SPSS has gone beyond that. It was recently acquired by IBM, and it has become one of the software suites that is owned by IBM. SPSS can be downloaded from IBM website, as you can see, as shown on the slide here. Application areas of SPSS. SPSS can be applied in education to cluster analysis. For example, we might use SPSS to analyze the distribution of students that are intake into the university. We can use that to know whether the intake of students covers all expected geographical location. We can also use SPSS to uncover hidden patterns in student results, whether there's a particular course or there's a particular aspect of learning that requires improvement. SPSS can also be used in healthcare. You can use SPSS to analyze patient data. You can use SPSS to uncover whether there's a particular disease that is common in certain certain part of the population, or there is a particular disease trend that occurs maybe year in, year out at a particular. So the healthcare providers can be better prepared. SPSS can also be used for market forecast. It can also be used in retail business. You can use it to forecast what the consumer or what the customers will be requesting for at a particular time by analyzing customer data. We can use SPSS to gain insight into customer behavior. However, SPSS has its own features and also has some certain limitations. SPSS is a statistical program for quantitative analysis. We can use it for knowing measure of central tendencies, measure of dispersion. We can use it to know to calculate mean, the mode, and frequency. We can use SPSS for building predictive model with advanced data analysis and statistical procedures. SPSS can be used for data exploration, data management, numerical analysis, such as linear regression, forecasting, and so on and so forth. We can also use SPSS for creating tables, graphs, and other visualization designs, such as pie charts, bar charts, histogram, normal distribution, curve, and so on and so forth. SPSS also has the ability to generate reports, and it can be used for it can be adapted to statistical research data as well. Among the limitations of SPSS is that it's an inability to analyze big data sets. And what do we mean by big data sets? These are data sets that come in high variety, high velocity, and high volume. It could include text, it can include video, it can include audio. This type of data set, SPSS has not been able to handle it. Also, we observe that SPSS also gives simple answers for complex issues, which could be misleading at times. So let's go into installation steps of SPSS. We can have SPSS installed on our system by downloading it from IBM website as shown in the illustration here. So when you go to the site, you can register as a student account, and then you download the file, whether it is .exe for Windows users or .pkg for Mac user. After you have downloaded the setup file, open it, double-click it, and follow the installation process by following the prompts as the installation progresses. After the installation has been completed, you then